friends, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, it's only right that I share with you my newest business venture. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So what I love about it, I can focus on my nutrition and my well-being. It's all about me, but guess what? It could be about you too. That's the beauty of it. While I'm becoming the best version of myself, I'm helping others see and become the best version of themselves. So drum roll, please. So the great news is that I became a wellness coach for Herbalife Nutrition. Herbalife is amazing. They give you personalized nutrition to tailor your wellness goals. You also gain an accountability family, not a partner, but a family. And that's not it. Our wellness survey gives you a starting point for your wellness journey. And guess what? It's free. It's free. It's free, girl. So it's based off of your wellness goals, whether that's to gain weight, lose weight, build muscle, or tone. We give you a free plan to help reach your wellness goals. If you're interested in taking our free wellness survey, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can get started today, okay? So I got a shipment in today because you know, boss lady don't play. Shipment in today, boss lady don't play. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see what I got in my box. So let me get the box. Right here. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. I'm gonna take the smaller box out. This is Herbalife Nutrition. So we have 1, 2, 3, and these are our 3-day trial packs. They look like this, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So, open it up. There is, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Formula 1 and PDM on the go healthy meals, and it's cookies and cream and vanilla flavored. So then we have 2 herbal tea concentrate, which boosts metabolism. We have 2 of those. 3 packs of Total Control dietary supplements. They look like this, and there comes 3 tablets per packet. If you're interested in trying one of these trial packs, just let me know. Email me and I'll get the package to you. Next thing we have in here is our manual business books for me. And we also have buttons in here. I'm gonna wear one of them. I'm gonna put this one on, period. And just stuff that I can read through. So the next thing I have is a Herbalife bottle, like water bottle. That's real cute. And then the next thing that's in here is this Herbalife tote carry. It looks like this, and this is what it looks like in the inside. I could definitely put my laptop in here. Oh yes, and then it has compartments for like pins and stuff. Oh, this is my business bag. Period. We did not come to play. Herbalife. Ask me how. Okay, so that was everything in my Herbalife Nutrition package. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in our 3-day trial packs, make sure you email me. It'll be listed. My email will be listed in the description box below. And if you want to take our free wellness survey, it'll be in the description box below as well. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.